This is how you can raise and lower volume at any point with audio points. So we're going to be using this music track as an example. Let's make sure the gain is turned up. And once you have this selected, you're going to press V on your keyboard. It's going to bring up this line right here. I'm going to make this bigger. But once you have this line here, you can raise this up and down. This will control the volume. And you can double click to make a point. As you can see right there, there's a point. And then you can double click at another spot to make a point. And if you'd want to lower the volume at this section right here, you can make 4 points. Boom, you can lower that. So then it mutes, and it goes back up. If you click V to get rid of it, it will stay the same. And then you click V again to show it again, and boom. You can also just do this to lower things. So I just lowered it for that section. Now it's back up to normal. And that is how you can lower at any point with audio points.